Before you begin, remove the stand. Removal. Important. Take care not to bend or twist the webcam enclosure while performing this procedure. If the mechanism that slides the webcam enclosure up and down is damaged, an entire display panel assembly spare must be requested in order to repair it. Slide the webcam enclosure into the up position. Carefully release the edges of the webcam enclosure cover from the webcam enclosure and remove it. Slide the webcam enclosure into the down position. Carefully remove the thermal pad from the webcam bracket. Remove the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the webcam bracket to the webcam enclosure. Remove the webcam bracket from the webcam. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the webcam cable from the connector on the webcam board. Remove the webcam board. Replacement. Connect the webcam cable into the connector on the webcam board and replace the retention tape. Place the webcam into position on the webcam enclosure. Place the webcam bracket into position on the webcam. Replace the 3mm P1 Phillips head screw that secures the webcam bracket to the webcam enclosure. Carefully place the thermal pad onto the webcam bracket. Set the webcam enclosure cover onto the webcam enclosure and gently apply pressure to the edges of the webcam enclosure cover to secure it into place.